So the brilliant thing about the unique partnership that VTCT Skills has with Ambition Centre for Training and Lime Salon Group is that together, holistically, we all have the same goal, which is to support and develop all of the apprentices within the hairdressing sector.
Hi, I'm Ria. I'm doing my graduates programme, level 6, and I'm at Lime Salon in Inverkeithing. A typical day for me just now, I'm doing my graduates programme. I'm also helping out doing junioring, so when I'm on the floor, I have a full column, so I'm just doing clients all day, and then whenever the juniors need help, that's when I'll help them with cleaning bowls and just helping them make the salon run smoother. I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted to get salon experience, rather than being in college and not really getting to meet new people. My proudest moment would be running my first day of my own column, just because it gave me a look into the future and see what it's like, and I saw how different it was to just being a junior. I'd probably say my main skill is just talking to people. Before my apprenticeship, I wouldn't be able to hold a conversation with a stranger, so that's definitely gotten better. And I've learned loads of new skills, so I'm learning to do highlights and cutting and everything like that, and what goes into being a hairdresser. I would recommend an apprenticeship because it gives you a look into see what being a hairdresser is actually like. You get to learn so many new skills, and your confidence grows so much. My future, I want to continue doing hair forever, and I want to stay alive.
Hi, I'm John from Lime Salon Group. We have 3 salons in Scotland, in Dunfermline, Inverkeithing and Falkirk. I chose to hire apprentices originally because we needed support, so the young apprentice team would support the salon and support us, so we could essentially make more revenue because we could see more customers with the support of the apprentice team. Now it's sort of matured into, it creates a steady flow of new talent for us. So as much as the young team are there to support us, essentially we need to support them so that they'll in turn work with us as they progress through their career. I think it's really important to just work with young people because young people tend to have their finger on the pulse about things that are happening and trends that are changing that you maybe wouldn't be aware of. So having them there, listening to them, obviously you need to guide them, but quite often they'll guide you and let you know things that are happening before you're even aware of it. But we have an assessor in each salon, and that's important for us because it means that we can observe the guys working in their day-to-day job and look for opportunities for assessment rather than creating kind of a false environment and saying, you need to see this client and you need to do this on them. I would recommend work-based learning through an apprenticeship programme because I feel it's more relevant to what's actually happening in the industry at that time. We have a really close relationship with Ambition. We work together very well. It's important to them that the guys are learning good quality skills, and it's important to us to give them. Ambition give us the sort of space to develop them and to mould the curriculum around what's actually happening in our salon. Having an apprenticeship is much more of an investment than it's ever been before, so it's important to make sure that you can actually afford it. You can afford to give them the time that they need, but also look for ways to make them bring you revenue, make sure that they earn their way as quickly as possible. I have my very first apprentice, her name was Abby, and she's still with the company now. In fact, she now works at a management level. She does all our HR and health and safety, so she's our biggest success story because she's stuck around. Many of our staff have been with us up to 10 years and have never worked for another company, and they were all apprentices with us, so I would say that is a success.
Lime Salon started off when Ambition started working with them with one salon. John now has 3 salons, which means that we have maybe about 12 to 14 apprenticeships running at the one time. And the nice thing about that is there's opportunities to fit into their Inverkeithing, their Dunfermline and their Falkirk branch. The staff have opportunities to train and grow skills for life. By that I mean that they do things like Indian head massage, which is on top of an extra to their apprenticeship, but allows them to book clients in and to be financially effective within the salon. And the partnership with Lime works really, really well. And because John, who is the salon owner, was an assessor. He totally understands the framework of the qualification. So again, we think about those skills in the qualification and we make it work for Lime. One of the unique things about Lime is that they do have quite a high number of apprentices that come through. Sometimes those apprenticeships can take up to 3.5 years to complete. Again, it's very bespoke. The majority of apprentices stay with Lime. They have an opportunity to become graduate stylists. And John has a really great network of other salon owners that we know. And a lot of the apprentices that are trained in Lime will then find opportunities in other salons in Fife and in Edinburgh. VTCT skills really help embrace sort of like our diversity of apprenticeships, and in particular our EV support has been fantastic, as has been our support from our business managers, because they understand the salons and they physically come into the salons. So rather than it being a desktop audit or, you know, recommendations over phone or email, it's actually relatable. They actually sort of like can see it and are here. VTC collectives is something that we've encouraged learners to go to and to be aware of, and I think having that inspiration of going to like an industry show where we're seeing like top class barbers, we're seeing Cloud9, we're seeing sort of like industry educators, and we're going to tap into that is invaluable as well. So the qualification comes with support, and it comes with skills training that helps assessors, but also inspires learners. And I think inspiring learners so that they can see a career growth and they understand that there is salon life, and then there's like another life that's part of hairdressing. They really see the full extent of what this industry is all about.
At VTCT Skills, we work with apprenticeship providers of all sizes. We work with employers of all sizes. The one common goal that we all have is ensuring that that apprentice achieves their goals and completes their apprenticeship, moving on to their career path of their choice. So if you're an employer thinking about taking on an apprentice, my advice to you would be to do it, to speak to the training providers in your local area and understand how they can work a bespoke support programme for you so that you can develop the apprentice to fit the needs of your salon and the individual.